Good day, everyone. Once again, let's go bananas with bananas. When we say go bananas, it is an idiomatic expression which means extremely angry or excited. This time, we are extremely excited because matuba kita sang saging. Yes, matuba kita sang saging. Pero ba sa iban sa aton, especially ang mga pamatanon kag kabataan, hindi nakaintindi sang tinaga nga tuba sang saging. Manghambal kita ganing matuba sang saging, buot sing ganon matapas kita saging. Kag guys, tulupang danyo lang nga kataas kaayo sang saging nga aton dapat tubaon o kung dapat naton tapson. That's why ang akon ba nagimutangan niya tukod para hindi siya dali-dali matumba kag mawasak ang iya bunga. Tubon ta na siya guys. As to my observation, ang tinaga nga tuba is one of the uncommonly used Hiligaynon or Ilonggo words nowadays. Nga halos hindi na mayo maintindihan sa mga young generation subong. Sila na sa mga tinaga nga pamanagbanag nga ambot sing ganon Dawn, si Sidmon nga ambot sing ganon Twilight, paino-ino nga ambot sing ganon thought or idea, kag laragway, which mean picture. Kamu guys, basta may nabalaan man kamo nga uncommonly used Hiligaynon or Ilonggo word, just comment down below and let's learn together. So sa nakita nyo guys, kataas-taas sa puno sang saging. Though David and Goliath lang ang gatapas kag ang ginatapas. Pero guys kung nataasan na kamo sina, don't you know nga ang pinakataas nga saging sa bugos nga kalibutan can grow as high as 66 feet? Yes, 66 feet. Kaya ang iya palang trunk can grow as high as 15 meters. Guys, ang 15 meters o kung 49 feet, trunk pa lang ina. Pero kung idugang naton ang dahon, especially kung ang dahon nakabuklad na, it is as tall as 66 feet. That's why ang Musa Indians is the tallest species of bananas and the world's largest herbaceous plant. Kay ang iya sini nga trunk isn't made of wood, but it is composed of tightly packed leaves. Guys, kabalo bala kamo nga may kondisyon nga ginatawag banana phobia? Banana phobia or the fear of bananas. That is very uncommon. Ang tao nga may banana phobia condition may feel nausea, panic attack, and feel overwhelmingly anxiety when they see, smell, or taste banana. Word, no? That's all for now. I hope you learned something new today. If you want informative content like this, follow me for more. This is Rain's Chronicle, telling you things that matter. Until next time, bye!